Okay. Now the topic is extraction of rocks and mineral from the earth. Now, whenever you want to do the extraction, so you will not start the extraction directly. So first of all, you should make some research, you will make some, you can say, a study, and you will make some experiment, and then you will make sure that you have the minerals in this area which you required, then you can start doing this one. So for that, first of all, what is the steps? You have to explore the minerals. You have to find the minerals. So the first technique which is used to find the mineral is known as prospecting. Prospecting, what does it mean? The people will go near that area, or in that area, they will take the small pieces from there, and those rock pieces are the part of the rocks. They will do some experiments, they will examine them, and after that they can find if there is any minerals are present or not. So that is known as prospecting. And in prospecting, the people go physically on that place and take the small samples from that place and investigate them in the lab. After that, remote sensing. In the remote sensing, you have to see, if you see the word remote means no need to go on particular place. So here is a process in which information is gathered about the earth's surface from the above. They are doing all research from the above with the help of photographs, and that area taken from the air. That then, after taking the photograph, the images are carefully analyzed for mineral presence, mineral present or not, mineral are present or not. Then aerial photography can cover more ground than a person on the surface. They're saying this technique is really good because when you are taking the picture from the above, so you can cover, you can survey the more area. Instead, you will send the people on that particular area. So here they have given the example. If you see the diagram carefully, so if you see the different, they have site one here, and then this is site 2, then site 3, like this. So there are the chances from here. It's not 100%, but this is they will conclude that there are some chances that these mineral can be present there. In the exam they will not ask all these things, but I'm just giving you how the picture look like, that when they do the photographic, because these photographs they can take by uh, satellite also, they can by the plane also, and these are the infrared images. You cannot, they are not like the real picture. So the main thing that you should know the this meaning, okay, and you should know the definition, a process, this one, the steps after. And this is also, for example, here you can see this is the real diagram if when you take it, but when they will see in computer in a special program, so it will give you different colors, and due to that different colors they will find that there are chances of some rocks are present here. So this is the you can say another technique. And after that, this is another picture of that one. So here they are saying that this is the, for example, this is Saudi Arabia and Syria. Between that one, they have basalt. So also you can find this type of diagram. So here you no need to memorize the diagram. Whenever the diagrams will be given to you, you'll find this key here. And then you should only want to explain it only. What do you mean by this one? It means, if, for example, I'll say basalt. Okay, basalt is here. In which area basalt is found? I'll say Safavi area, like this. And where's B3 formation? You can say Al Jaf, Al Hassa, like this. So no need. Just I'm giving the examples so you will aware.
What exactly?
Hello.
Formation of what?
I'm saying that if they will give you a graph, for example, they will give you the graph like this, and they will give you the key also. For example, they can ask a question. Okay, in which area of Saudi Arabia you have the reserve of the basalt? With the color, you can go this area. Like this only, like we are doing for other graphs. Only you have to describe in such a way. So what I'm telling you, no need to carefully read this diagram. Don't think that you have to memorize them like this. Only you have to explain them and the key is given there. Understood? Another method that is known as radiation detection. So here they're saying that minerals or the rocks, they are releasing the radiation all the time. And if you take the, you can say infrared, or you can say the satellite pictures, so they can also help you to find the areas in which the minerals are present. That is known as radiation detection. What is that? Mineral deposits are weathered at the earth's surface, forming mineral oxides. So they're saying that the mineral, if they are on the earth's surface, so they react with oxygen and they form oxides, mineral oxides. They can be detected by their unique radiation pattern recorded by a satellite and downloaded to a computer for analysis. So they're saying that they all the time, it's not, for example, if there is a mineral in this area, so naturally it will release the radiation, and every mineral, it has a different pattern of radiation. So with the help of satellite, they will take the picture of particular area, and then that picture they will put inside the special program in the computer, and they will get the image. And then from that, if they will carefully observe that one, then they can tell that there are some possibilities of minerals in that area. Can you mute the mic? Who is this? This is another diagram. Satellite signals. Now, some satellites, they send the signals to the Earth's surface and collect the reflected signals. Some, you can say, signals can set. Please, can you mute the mic? Who is this? Okay. So here you have the satellite signal. They are sent by the satellite, and then they are checking those signals and the reflection, and then they're working on that one. So main thing you have to remember this one: satellite signals. The what is the heading, and the heading, what how they are doing? They are sending signals from the satellite. Those signals come on the ground. They reflect back to the satellite, and from that reflection they will put in the system, and then they investigate. There is a possibility of some minerals present or not in this area. Also the satellite images, sometime from the image and the type of the rocks or mountain, the geologists, they can guess that these minerals can be present in that area. Computers are used to process the data from a region interest to check for mineral presence. Geologists confirm the presence of the mineral by visiting the location. It means from satellite image, you will get only like a possibility, not 100%. If they want to make sure, they have to go and visit that site. Like first we are doing prospecting, the first one. So you have to go there. So this is another technique. All these techniques we are discussing, they are technique how to find minerals from the ground. Here you can see they have given, this is the satellite image. And if you go near, you will find the image. This is a very close image. The same way here. Now, geochemical analysis. Now, what they're doing, this is very important. Whatever the sample they are getting from the site, for example, they took the satellite images. From that, they have a possibility that, and that area, for example, this area, there's a possibility of minerals. Then the geologist will go that area physically and take the samples, like prospecting, they are taking small pieces. Then those pieces they will bring to the lab and they will do some chemical analysis on that one. And after that analysis, they will confirm that which metals or which minerals or which, you can say, type of the rocks are present there. So this is known as geochemical analysis. After that, geophysics. Geophysics, they are using the physics techniques and with the help of seismic waves or the shock waves. So they are, you can say, try to find there is a rock or not. What they are doing, they are making explosion here. And when they make the explosion, the shock waves, they travel in the earth and they hit the rocks down and reflect back. Here they have special detectors. They have like sensors. You can see here, they above the ground. So when they come, so they can detect those reflected waves and they're making their data here. And that data then carefully analyzed and they can tell there are some rocks are present, minerals are present or not, and if present, which are they. So this gives you possibility. So that's known as geophysics. But again, very simple. They will do a kind of a blast here. The shock waves go down, they reflect back. Here they have detectors or the sensors, and their waves comes here and they detect them. And they have a special machine and equipment. They will analyze the data, and after that, they will confirm is there a possibility of minerals in this area or not.